Alright, so when you first turn the car on, this is what you see. There'll be an Android boot up logo. You got this screen over here. So I have the optional iDrive controller over here. It's not a real iDrive controller, obviously, but it's what they have. It's kind of closest to it. It works pretty well, but honestly, I don't find myself using it very much. It's a little bit laggy. There's a small disconnect. I'm not sure if you guys can see both those things at the same time, but it's not perfect by any means. But that's really not a problem because it's touchscreen. So, I mean, honestly, it works better as touchscreen, much smoother. It's a very smooth interface. I believe this is Android 9.0. I have seen a little bit of a different UI for this. It looks a little bit nicer with the dashboard. Now, I honestly don't care because I don't really use this. It shows I popped my trunk earlier. I don't think it shows the hood open, and it's more of like a sensor thing. But if I open my door, for example, it'll show that, which is pretty cool. This is all real-time stuff. The car is on right now. So if I did a little blip right here, it mimics it right there, which is pretty awesome. So it even shows the fuel level in liters, which, you know, I don't really have useful because I have the US customary system. But it shows seatbelts are off. It shows the temperature and all that, which is awesome. Now we can go back out of there. Now, just so you guys know, I'm connected to my house Wi-Fi right now. Usually, I don't really have any connection to this. You could run your phone's hotspot, but I really don't have a need to with CarPlay. And if you had if you did have iDrive in this car, you would have a different unit, for example, but it would be the same UI. If you press Car Info, original car display, it'll show all your original iDrive stuff, so you retain all that stuff as well. You do have, you know, Bluetooth phones. You can buy a hard drive, downloaded maps from AVIN USA if you'd like to. I didn't because CarPlay, obviously. I do use the phone through CarPlay. The one issue I'm having, which I'm yet to resolve completely, is the microphone. The microphone is very dim, or it's not the clearest of microphones. I get some complaints from my friends who call me, but I mean, I really not on the phone that much, so it's not really a huge deal for me, but it may be for some of you. And the beauty of this is that, you know, there's some other apps there, but, you know, not really a huge deal. That's your browser. You know, it's basically Chrome. But the beauty of this is it's just an Android system, right? Think of it as a massive smartphone. You can actually just go to applications, and you can download any single Android app you could possibly want from the Play Store. So I got YouTube on there. You know, this is the auto kit for the CarPlay, which I went over earlier in my other video. You can even watch Netflix while you drive, which I don't recommend, but you can do it. What else is cool is I got the MHD app right there, which I'm going to go over in another video. But you know, it's pretty nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this Android unit. It's really a great addition to the car, I think. I've had a lot of fun with it. It really changes how I can use this car a lot more. It's more like a newer car now, honestly. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about this unit at all, this in the C-Class, you know, let me know. Peace out.